after so long. I'm going to the waterfall. In my last few days in 100 miles, I made sure to visit one of my favorite places, and that is Waterfalls. So through this way, I used to go every day or every time I used to visit, and going down towards the right side, you will be having a trail from here and will be taken to the waterfall, and you can see that there is a map over there, and it shows all the way to the waterfall. Now I'm taking you towards the back side of the waterfall, which I realized almost by the end of the 4 months that we had a back side entrance as well, which was pretty much near to my place. And this is the view from there, and we had a stage over here as well where many events happened, and we have a basketball ground, and yeah, we have playground for kids to play. And now I'll take you guys to one of my favorite spots to sit and just enjoy the view. If you can see, it is so peaceful and pleasant over here. That's why I used to come here and sit, enjoying my sunlight and the view. This is the trail that takes us to the waterfall, and you can see that there is this amazing trail with beautiful tall trees. I just love how the sun hits just few parts of the trees, and it just looks like a scenery that I would want to paint one day. So you can also see that there are families who came for picnics, and you get to see people who come for trekking as well. We almost reached close to the waterfall. You can see people walking with their fishing rods. And it's very beautiful. Here I observed this man for a while, just to understand that he was catching fishes and leaving them back. So I couldn't understand for a while, and then actually realized that he was fishing as a hobby, but not to catch them and kill them, but just as a hobby. I think this was his third fish that he was leaving. And with that, I started moving back with my video, started walking to the waterfall. Okay.
1908, December the 22nd.
Okay.
And she paid 50 years ago.
Ooh.
Nobody's ever pointed that out to me before.
It is a funny fact